Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Code Syntax. What if I told you that you can make powerful thumbnails such as these, or rather these, like with $0 in just 5 minutes? No way. No fancy tools, no expensive softwares, no professional thumbnail makers, just the right technique. And I'm exactly going to show you how to do that using, you guessed it right, Gemini. Well, here we are in our Gemini workspace, and recently Mr.Beast uploaded a video that was stating 50 streamers fight for $1 million. And so we are going to capture that thumbnail and use it and see how we can swap our faces and create a thumbnail that looks like Mr.Beast. So stay tuned and let's see how it goes. Well, first of all, I'll have to upload one of my photos, which I gave a reaction just exactly like Mr.Beast, almost there. So here is the image, and first of all, I'll have to enhance this image so that I can make it much clearer. So let me just write, please enhance the image, image, and make it much clearer. So as I do this, then it will run and create for me an image that is much more clear. So let's just wait for it and see what it creates for us. Well, here it is, and it has actually made for us a much clearer enhanced photo. And after this, I'll have to upload the thumbnail of Mr.Beast. So I had actually taken a screenshot here, and let me double click and check it out. So when I upload this, and I'll give it a simple prompt that please exchange the Mr.Beast. I mean, it shouldn't be there. So please exchange Mr.Beast to my image. And
one eternity later.
It's running, and let's see. And it has made for us something nice, and as you can see, it's looking very great. So put another thumbnail and see what it gives us. Let's say I have these, and I will give it a prompt that exchange Mr.Beast.
One eternity later.
Well, here it is, and by checking, it's looking so much realistic and perfect, right? It's not that bad. The texture is perfect. The smile is maybe more aggressive and more extended, but anyways, the proportional of the face, the texture is just great. I don't think there's much difference with. Well, since you have reached till here, that means you have learned how to make different types of thumbnails. So if you loved my content, please do like, share and subscribe.